In this course we take you from picking up the drumsticks for the very first time all the way to playing along with some real music that you choose yourself. Based upon our highly successful teaching practice, we have put together this short course especially for complete beginners. You don't even need a drum kit to be able to follow this course. So if you want to learn to play the coolest instrument in the band, see if drumming is for you, or just try out some lessons without any big weekly commitment, check out the Ravebugs Drumming for Beginners course. I'm sure you'll love it.